Forging a Branch in Hollow Tube by Bruce Gerald. The sequence that follows shows the initial steps in the forging. The groove is forged down to the anvil surface and split. This shows the final branching. The future area of branching is forged first. The end of the tube, including the bulge, will be cut off and discarded. It is from a prior forging. The future branching area is completed and ready for grooving. A future stem area is partially forged. If the final narrow stem were forged at this point, future branch forging would bend the stem and risk cracks. Thus it is left thick